The benefits of avocado for babies are very diverse. The various nutrients contained in avocados make the fruit good for supporting the health and development of babies. So that your little one can get the benefits of avocado, you can add it to the MPASI menu. Avocados contain calories and carbohydrates that are high enough for babies. Not only that, avocados also contain fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, choline, and protein. A variety of vitamins can also be found in avocados, such as vitamin C, B vitamins, folate, vitamin E, and vitamin K, as well as various minerals, such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, iron, and zinc. These various nutrients make avocados one of the healthiest foods for babies. The soft texture of avocado flesh is ideal for puree or porridge for babies. The slightly sweet and savory taste of avocado also makes it easy for babies to like. The following are the various benefits of avocado for babies. 1. Smooth digestion. Because it contains high enough fiber. Avocado is one of the types of fruit that is recommended to be given as complementary food to babies. The fiber content is very good for smoothing the baby's digestion and maintaining the health of the digestive tract, as well as preventing the baby from being constipated. 2. Supports baby's growth and development. Babies who are given high nutritional food intake, including avocados, will have better growth and development when compared to babies who are malnourished. Various types of nutrients, such as monounsaturated fats, carbohydrates, proteins, antioxidants, as well as various vitamins and minerals, play an important role in supporting babies' growth and development. Various nutrients are found in avocados. 3. Supports babies' brain development. Avocados contain lots of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, choline, and antioxidants. These various nutrients play an important role in supporting the baby's brain development. Several studies suggest that adequate intake of omega-3 and choline in infants can make them smarter, learn quickly, and have better thinking power. 4. Prevent anemia. Avocados contain folate, iron, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, which play an important role in the production of red blood cells in the body. Therefore, avocados are good to give to babies to prevent them from getting anemia. 5. Increase the baby's weight. Because it contains calories, carbohydrates, and fats that are quite high, avocados are good to give to babies as an intake to increase their weight. Not only good to give to babies who have less weight, avocado is also good to give to healthy babies to keep their weight stable. 6. Maintain eye health. Avocados contain antioxidants, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which can maintain eye health. Giving avocados to babies is also good for supporting the development of their sense of sight.